the vision. Firstly, I want to say about that how many of pupils you are sitting here use public transport. I want this question from you. Please tell. So friends, my idea basically depends on the cab services or depends on a public transport solution in which a person who is using a public transport can travel on a medium which is electrical vehicles, because I have seen many problems people face while traveling from public transport. Now the startup name. I have given the startup name Trippy because basically it depends on the electrical vehicles, and trip is related with the when we are travel somewhere, then shortly we notice this as a trip. So I have given this name as a Trippy. Now from where I got the idea? I got the idea by watching the needs of students in our society and locations too, and by watching the shows of those talks and Shark Tank. Now I have given 3 punchlines for my startup idea. One is as use Trippy, go electrically, nature is pollution free, because while we use the electrical cabs or electrical vehicles, then our society has one benefit that electrical vehicles do not produce air pollution. And the next one is अब प्रदूषण की फिकर को छोड़ो, ट्रिपी से रिश्ता जोड़ो. And the third one is go naturally, go electrically. Now what will I do in my startup? Firstly, I want to make it as a brand, and cab services with a solution of air pollution I want to provide. Mainly I am focusing on the student area and the persons who use cab services. Now let me talk about the vision of my startup idea. Basically my vision is that to achieve a position like brands like Ola and Uber in the future, to provide financial growth to our country and in other sense also, to provide more employment, as when some startup grows then more employment opportunities are there, to make people careful about towards nature and to use electrical vehicles more. Now let me talk about the mission. My mission is to make this startup into a brand, to acquire position as a brand name in cab services, make country economically and pollution free, use of electrical vehicles for services. Now let me talk about the goal. Basically my goal, you can see that to provide, when I am providing a cab services which is totally pollution free, and when we use electrical cabs, then there is also one thing we see that electrical vehicles are more cheaper than the price of diesel and petrol vehicles, but when we use vehicles which are related on fuels is comparatively more than we use the vehicles which are electrical. Majorly targeting on the college going students. And the third one is to achieve strong customer base of 2 to 5K in next 6 to 12 months. Now the operational plan. Basically the operation plan is depend on the collection of electrical vehicles available in the market, such as companies Tata and MG is giving their electrical vehicles, and Mahindra is also coming next. Collection of users who need the cab services in a pocket friendly budget. Awareness of the budget of electrical vehicles, hiring of EVs from the users. Hiring of EVs means just on the same concept of the Ola, I will hire the electrical vehicles who are the owners and we will provide the services from them. Now market plan. My market plan is to establish Trippy as firstly I will inbuilt an application so that similar as we use the Ola, the similar type of application will be available. The main difference is that we are totally dependent on the electrical vehicles. Providing awareness about nature-friendly vehicles, cab services focusing on reducing air pollution. I am repeating air pollution because in India we use the higher number of vehicles which produce more pollution. So basically I am giving a solution to our country which will be beneficial to us and our country too. And the third one for the market campaigns, advertisement on social media and online platforms. Now let us talk about the financial plan and capitalization. Financial plan, the basic financial plan I have given, it is not about the more budget, it is only about the basic. Firstly, there is profit earnings, other advertisement earnings, such as you have seen that other cab services or owners have the advertisements also there. So the earning of advertisements also can be there. Subscription earning, if any student needs a monthly package or a yearly package, we will provide a subscription package to them. And the financial plan, I have covered staff expenses and other expenses and vehicle maintenance. Basically, when we use a vehicle, then the vehicle maintenance is a first to maintain there. Now about the capitalization. The capitalization, I will do 2 to 5 lakh from my own fund, and little bit I can take from the bank loan and MSME funds. Now let us talk about the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of the is there. Firstly, it is a pollution free. Secondly, it will provide a pocket friendly budget to you, nature friendly, cost effective in comparison to petrol and diesel, and subsidies provided by the government on electrical vehicles too. Now let us talk about the disadvantages. Finding a charging station of electrical vehicles is very tough for nowadays, but in some years we will find a solution of it also. And the charging, basically charging of electrical vehicles take a longer time this time. The driving range on a full charge is also not that much that a person needs. Basically it provides 350 to 400 kilometer charge for a one-time charge. Higher initial purchase cost, because electrical vehicles are having a higher purchase cost nowadays, but while having a subsidy it becomes very easier to buy them. And replacing the batteries of EV is expensive this time. So friends, thank you. Any queries?